cables aren't clutter, they're hidden treasure. And this October, the UK is being challenged to dig them out and do something meaningful with them. But here's where it gets controversial. How many of us are still hoarding cables just in case, while valuable materials quietly go to waste? The Great Cable Challenge is back for International E-Waste Day 2025, taking place on 14th October, led by Material Focus. This nationwide effort is designed to tackle the mountain of unused cables and old electricals tucked away in drawers, boxes, and cupboards across the UK. The goal? Stop precious copper from ending up in the bin and put it back into circulation where it belongs. International E-Waste Day, often shortened to IEWD, is a global reminder that electrical waste is the world's fastest-growing waste stream, and the UK is no exception. Every year, people and organizations across dozens of countries use this day to spark awareness and inspire action. Repair, reuse, donate, and recycle unwanted electricals instead of throwing them away. Launched initially for IEWD 2024, the Great Cable Challenge united 200 organizations that hosted collections and events in workplaces, schools, retail stores, and neighborhood hubs. The result? Thousands finally cleared out their infamous drawer of doom, handing in old cables and small electrical items for responsible recycling. Major supporters included Currys, BQ, Gumtree, Ecotricity, Virgin Media O2, and 98 local authorities, each encouraging staff, customers, and local residents to recycle cables. This year, the campaign is scaling up, aiming to bring in even more partners, reach more communities, and amplify the push to reuse and recycle electricals. Here's a stat that might surprise you. Material Focus research shows the average UK household is sitting on and throwing away around 22 cables. Stack that across the country and you'd have enough cable length to stretch to the moon and back. And this is the part most people miss. Each cable contains valuable materials, especially copper, a critical, finite resource. When dumped, those materials are lost for good. Recycling copper, on the other hand, is 100% feasible, dramatically more energy efficient than mining new ore, and can feed into products we all rely on, from smartphones and public transport to clean energy systems and medical devices. Who can get involved? Absolutely anyone. Households, councils, retailers, community groups, and businesses are all invited to join the Great Cable Challenge. How to participate is simple. Gather your unused cables and any other small electricals you uncover in that just-in-case drawer. Use Recycle Your Electricals postcode locator to find a nearby donation or recycling point. It takes moments and helps keep valuable materials in the loop. To make it even easier, Material Focus has built a campaign toolkit for councils, retailers, and community groups across the UK. It includes ready-to-use communications, bin stickers, and press release templates. Everything you need to promote the challenge or host your own activity. If you need more details, contact Material Focus directly via their published email address. Partners have two main ways to contribute. Promote the campaign using Material Focus materials, raising awareness about electrical waste and encouraging residents and communities to act. Run your own Great Cable Challenge initiative. Host a local event. Set up office or school collections and use the toolkit to spread the word. Scott Butler, Executive Director at Material Focus, puts it plainly. Most of us are sitting on a stash. I've got a box under my bed of cables I've kept, just in case. Last year, over 200 organizations joined the Great Cable Challenge and helped save hundreds of kilos of copper from going to waste, proving how much difference we can make, one cable at a time. By recycling just one cable, we can all help reclaim valuable materials like copper and see how easy it is to make a positive impact. And here's a thought-provoking twist. Is keeping old cables for years actually a form of wastefulness? Some argue it's prudent to keep spares. Others say it prevents essential materials from being reused when they're needed most. What do you think? Should we hold on to them? Or is it time to let go and recycle? Share your stance in the comments. Are you team just in case? Or team clear the drawer and recycle?